Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will unbox Oneplus Nord, a new mid-range smartphone by Oneplus. The price of this smartphone in UAE is 1,500 AED, which is like 26,000 Indian currency and $350. If you want to buy this device or any other latest Xiaomi or Realme devices from UAE, I would recommend you to buy from Kelly to get the best price and also availability of the latest smartphones. They also deliver to anywhere in Gulf, which is a bonus. I will provide you her contact details in the description below. So let's start this unboxing, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. The box has Nord written all over in big letters. This is a 256GB 12GB RAM variant with blue marble color option. Let's unwrap it. Let's keep the phone aside and see what's inside the box. It's great to see Oneplus has included a 30-watt fast charger inside the box, which can charge the smartphone from 0 to 100% in 1 hour's time. You also get a USB type A to C red cable. Oneplus is also giving a rubberized case inside the box for device protection and a mandatory SIM ejection tool and some standard paperwork. Now let's unwrap the smartphone and boot it up for the first time. The light blue color looks quite impressive. There is a Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front and the back, but unfortunately Oneplus is using plastic frame on the side, which raises question about its durability. In terms of the dynamics, on the right side there is a power button and the alert slider, which is quite handy in everyday use. On the top it has a secondary microphone. On the left side there is a volume rockers. At the bottom there is a dual SIM tray. Unfortunately you cannot use a microSD card on this device. Main microphone, USB type C port and a single speaker setup. In terms of display, it has a fluid smooth display with 90Hz refresh rate. The display does look quite impressive, but some Indian units had issues of green and yellow tint in low brightness setting. So buying this under warranty is highly recommended. Also, the pill-shaped front camera cutout does affect the overall viewing experience. There is in-display fingerprint scanner which works quite fast. Also, it has a face unlock option which is equally fast and reliable. The smartphone is running Android 10 out of the box. It comes with a Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor, which is a mid-range chipset. Playing graphic-intensive games on this device, you can get maximum of 30 frames per second in HD graphics. If you are a heavy gamer, you should opt for a device with Snapdragon 855 or the latest 865 processor. But if you are an average user, the performance on this device with 90Hz refresh rate is incredibly smooth. Overall, the gaming experience on this device is quite decent. Talking about its battery, it's rocking a 4115 mAh battery, which is good enough for a day use with 90Hz enabled. And with 30-watt fast charger, you will not see yourself sitting near the walls for long. Let's also test the audio quality of this smartphone.
Baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit.
The sound is quite loud for a single speaker. I would say it has a quite balanced sound quality, but certainly not comparable to a flagship smartphone. Now let's talk about its camera. It has a quad camera setup at the rear with main 48 megapixel sensor. On the front it has a dual camera setup with 32 megapixel main sensor. It can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second from the rear camera. And quite interestingly, it can shoot 4K 60 frames per second from the front camera. Let's see some sample images and videos shot from this smartphone. Also, you can click over here to see the in-depth camera comparison of OnePlus Nord versus iPhone 11. The camera on this smartphone is quite impressive, especially in the daytime. It does struggle in the low light scenario, but thanks to a decent night mode, you can get some usable footage. In terms of its video quality, it's also quite impressive. It has a decent stabilization while recording in 4K. Overall, I would say it's a good attempt by OnePlus to again come back to decent budget price smartphone market with some impressive specs. High refresh rate and camera setup is impressive, and the OnePlus UI is quite fluid just like the pure Android. But it has a lot of competition from Xiaomi and Samsung mid-range smartphones, as the budget segment is getting more competitive day by day. That's it for this video, guys. Kindly hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye. Peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.